Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Saturday morning real estate marketing show with Ruthie Rocks, Ruth Allbrand, and I am Marketing Max. Today, we actually have a brand new guest for the first time. His name is Mark Kahn. He's a loan officer with Community Access Lending, and he's going to get us updated on what's happening in the mortgage world. It's been actually, is this the first time we've had a mortgage person, Ruth?
Well, we've had Sheila, the lending lady.
That's right, Sheila. How can I forget Sheila, the lending lady? I apologize, Sheila. Please forgive me. Yes, but it's been a while since we actually had Sheila on, and so the landscape's obviously changed the last few months here with rates fluctuating up and down, the 10-year Treasury hitting, once again probably lows for the year or so. But before we get to Mark, Ruth, what is happening in the real estate market?
Well, I've been looking back at the past couple of months, and there's not a lot of change. We have 25 days of inventory. That's the key factor everybody wants to know. And also the median price home jumped up to $405,000 the past 2 months. It was at $398,000, and I think it's going to really go back down there. I think it's going to dip a little bit. So we have 3,263 single family homes available. And what I always tell everybody, it's churning, which is good. Yesterday, we listed 27 homes under 400,000, and we closed 127. So that's kind of what's keeping the inventory at, I think it's okay at 25 days. I'm fine with that. We have 984 active homes under 400,000, and we're doing about 124 sales a day, which is right in line with the year-to-date figures of 139 sales a day. And by the end of August, it'll get up there too. So we'll be around 140 sales per day for August. And the astounding thing in our market right now is that the $1 million homes are jumping off the shelf. We're doing 4.5 sales a day, when last year we did 1.6 a day. So that's, big jump in the $1 million homes. And I know everybody knows we have 130 people that move to Las Vegas every day, and 45% of them come from California. And we know that the median price home in the major metropolitan areas in California is $500 per square foot. So, if you have a 2,000 square foot home, it's $1 million. If you sell it and you come here, you can buy that same square footage for $400,000. So, and your mortgage payment would only be $1,517 principal and interest, or $1,846 for your monthly payment. And of course, the rentals are flying off the market. We have had more in our property management company that we have, Las Vegas Realty. We have had more lease renewals this year than ever before. People are staying put because there's no rentals available. And it's kind of self-perpetuating itself because everybody's staying, so nobody's moving. And so that market is pretty solid. Rents are going up. They went up 7% this year. NAR, the National Association of Realtors, say they're going to go up 4% next year. So the interesting factor there that affects Las Vegas is we have 31% of the sales are to non-owner occupieds. We're selling 43 homes a day to investors. That's 30% of our market. And some of them are the big guys. I'm in the process of doing research on who the big guys are. There's a company out of Utah that just closed 160 homes. Wow. So they're pulling their money, creating a corporation or an LLC, and they're coming down here and buying homes for cash. So that's what's happening. It's a different landscape than we've ever seen before. And I'm sure everybody knows this is because of the pandemic. Max? Can't hear you, Max.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
No, I mean, the people selling the $1 million homes, I was going to comment on California. I mean, they're not buying $400,000 homes. That's why the $1 million homes here in Vegas are going. They're taking their $500,000 in equity here and plopping down on a $1.3 million home and basically paying the same amount or less than what they were paying in California. And you minus out the the taxes, the real estate taxes that are a little bit higher in California as well, and you end up net positive.
Yes.
Especially, I mean, income makers anybody that makes over 400,000, 500,000 California basically gets a free house here in Vegas because the taxes that they save just by moving across the states allows them to buy a home pretty much, with the tax savings.
Yeah, absolutely.
Didn't you tell us like last week though there was the days on inventory was 27? So did it go down? So
yes, it went down.
The market tightened up a little bit this last week.
Well, a month ago it was 23 days, and then it went up to 27. Now it's down to 25, and I attribute the couple days jump is because of it's summertime.
Mm-hmm.
People are getting ready for school. People are going on vacations.
Right.
So I think that that stopped the buying cycle as hot as it was, but it's back. I can see this is going to maintain itself at least through the end of the year.
Yeah.
And of course, I believe into 2022. So we'll see.